Google Console, also known as Google Cloud Console or Google Cloud Platform (GCP). Console is a web-based interface provided by Google for managing and interacting with various Google Cloud services. It is a centralized platform that allows users to create, configure, monitor, and manage their cloud resources and services. Google Console offers a user-friendly interface that enables developers, administrators, and other users to perform a wide range of tasks related to cloud computing. Some of the key features and functionalities provided by the Google Console include: resource management. Users can create and manage cloud resources such as virtual machines, storage buckets, databases, networking components, and more. The console provides a unified view of all the resources in the project and allows for easy organization and management. Billing and cost management. Users can monitor and analyze their usage and costs associated with various Google Cloud services. The console provides detailed billing reports, budgeting tools, and cost optimization recommendations to help users manage their cloud spending effectively. Identity and Access Management (IAM). Users can control access to their resources and services by managing permissions and roles. IAM allows users to grant specific privileges to individuals or groups, ensuring secure access control within their projects. Logging and monitoring. The console provides tools for monitoring the performance, availability, and health of applications and services running on Google Cloud. Users can access logs, set up alerts, and view metrics to troubleshoot issues and optimize their systems. Deployment and DevOps. Users can deploy their applications and services to Google Cloud Platform using built-in deployment tools. The console supports various deployment methods, including containers, serverless functions, and virtual machines. It also integrates with other DevOps tools and services for seamless development workflows. Data and Analytics. Google Console offers services and tools for managing and analyzing data on the cloud. Users can leverage services like BigQuery for data warehousing, Dataflow for real-time data processing, and CloudPub/Sub for event-driven architectures. In machine learning, the console provides access to Google's and machine learning services, such as Cloud Platform, Autumn, and TensorFlow. Users can build, train, and deploy machine learning models using these services directly from the console. These are just a few examples of the features and capabilities available in Google Console. It serves as a comprehensive platform for managing and utilizing the wide range of services offered by Google Cloud Platform.